you looking for a career with a solid income? Do you like to take on a challenge and work at something that you can really take pride in? Why not go beyond traditional learning and open the door to a rewarding career with endless opportunities? Learn a trade. Learn construction skills at the Liuna Local 183 Training Center. The construction industry is booming. Not only is construction Canada's largest industry, it's also one of the most stable industries in today's economy. And they're looking for people just like you. Over the next decade, close to 25% of the skilled construction tradespeople currently working are expected to retire, creating an urgent need for skilled labor. Now is the time to plan your future so that you're ready to step in and help meet the demand.
Ontario's workforce needs more skilled tradespeople to keep up with the growing demand. The importance of having skilled tradespeople ready to meet industry demand is our primary goal. Our role as the training department for Liuna Local 183, the largest construction local union in North America, is to provide apprenticeship, construction skills, and health and safety training to the existing as well as the future workforce of the construction industry.
Come and build your future career with construction training, apprenticeship programs, and our comprehensive health and safety programs. We're serious about training. You'll learn on the latest equipment using the most up-to-date techniques and technologies currently used in the construction industry. All of our apprenticeship programs are registered with the Ontario Ministry of Training, colleges and universities.
As one of the part-time instructors here at the Liuna Local 183 Training Center, I know firsthand just where the training I received can lead. I started as a brick and stone apprentice and completed all 3 levels of the program, including challenging the Red Seal exam, which allowed me to receive my certificate of qualification. The training is designed so that you understand exactly how to handle yourself on the job. Our hands-on training simulates real construction site settings. So by the time you step onto an actual site, you will be prepared, competent, and productive.
We offer the highest standard of apprenticeship training, construction skills training, and health and safety training available. For example, our construction craft worker apprenticeship is a trade that offers you great versatility. You'll learn a broad set of skills, including form setting, scaffolding skills, and concrete placement. And you'll have the ability to work on a wide variety of infrastructure projects, such as buildings, roadways, bridges, railways, sewer and water mains, high-rise residential buildings, and so much more. With additional experience, craft workers can complete extra training and then specialize in many different areas, such as forming, form setting, pipe laying, small machinery operation, and cement finishing.
The training I received at the Liuna Local 183 Training Center was great. The classroom environment is really interactive and the instructors keep it engaging. They have full construction sites set up for the hands-on training and practice, which gave me experience and confidence when I walked onto my first real job site.
We have many construction skills courses to choose from. Welding is a popular choice with room for specialization. Welders join manufactured metal parts, help build structures, or repair damaged and worn metal. They also fabricate parts, tools, machinery, and equipment used in the construction and manufacturing industries. Specialties include custom fabrication, shipbuilding, aerospace, structural welding, and pipeline work. Road building has been a signature program at the center for more than 15 years. You'll learn sidewalk and curb construction, finishing techniques, curb machine operation, concrete forming and finishing, plus much more. Jobs can include working on sidewalks, bridges, roads and highway construction, to name a few.
The construction industry is always evolving, and we keep up with those changes by incorporating the latest equipment and methodologies into our training. We focus on developing new programs as well as on discovering fresh ideas for existing programs. At the Liuna Local 183 Training Center, we're training the future workforce. So if you're looking for an interesting, lucrative career, you owe it to yourself to see what we have to offer.
One is setting up the AED, so one is setting up the AED, the other one is doing the CPR, so start the CPR right away.
At the very heart of our center is the health and safety component of our training. In the construction industry, being proactive about health and safety on the job is of the utmost importance, and every worker needs to be aware of the potential dangers to keep themselves and their co-workers safe.
And then what you do is you crank it.
We pride ourselves on delivering a wide selection of the most comprehensive health and safety programs and certifications available to ensure the safety of each and every one of our trainees and members. Liuna is known throughout Canada as a union that never compromises when it comes to health and safety. In turn, the Liuna Local 183 Training Center places health and safety at the very forefront of all of our apprenticeship and construction skills courses.
The importance of proper health and safety training within the industry can't be stressed enough, and it remains a primary focus of our training.
Do you like the idea of looking at the roadways, bridges, high-rise condominiums, schools and homes in your city and saying, I helped build that? From pouring the foundations to constructing the tallest office tower, skilled construction tradespeople quite literally build the world around us.
I'm looking forward to my future. I couldn't have said this a year ago, but construction skills training I'm getting here has opened my eyes to so many types of work that I could train an apprentice in. The Liuna Local 183 Training Center has great programs, helpful, down-to-earth instructors. It is interesting and challenging. Now I have a great plan for my future with employment opportunities waiting for me.
With the assistance of the union and our employer partners, our training programs are always up to date and on the cutting edge of what's happening in the construction industry today. Go beyond traditional learning and focus on a truly rewarding career with a bright future. Give yourself the best possible start at the Liuna Local 183 Training Center. We have 4 campus sites to choose from in Vaughan, Cobourg, Toronto, and Barrie. Visit the Liuna Local 183 Training Center website to find out more at 183training.com. Life really is full of possibilities. Begin your future with us and discover endless possibilities today. Liuna Local 183 Training Center. We are excellence in training.